If you're hard on your workwear and tired of replacing it so often, or just want something hard-wearing and looks good, these Bata Chelsea boots are a perfect option. They're comfortable, look good, and protect your feet all at the same time. They offer protection from falling objects with a steel toe cap and water resistance with a leather upper. The polyurethane sole is oil, solvent, and fuel resistant and has anti-slip properties. The shock-absorbent heel with extra width make it more comfortable and ergonomic, reducing fatigue. The boot's elasticated section makes it easy to take on and off, especially with the 2-finger loops. A quality, long-lasting, high-grade option for general use. This is just one of the workwear solutions available at Builders. For more, visit in-store or shop online at builders.co.za. And for more videos like this, visit the blog on our website. Get to Builders, get it done.